Hello everybody, now I'm at this stage doing the wall panels installation. So for the back wall and all of my left and right wall, I'll be doing a template. Got the bottom one marked, the left side, the right side. See, face up and this is down. Just make some notes so I know where they go. And this piece right here is for the top. I'm waiting for the hot glue gun to warm up, and then I can glue the top one. So then this template here, we'll take it and put it on top of the panels and cut it outside with the saw or with the grinder. Okay, just want to give you guys a construction tip. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. If you guys learned something new today with this video by doing templates, please subscribe if you haven't done already. And if I made it to you, put a like. Thanks so much.